Thanks to e-commerce explosion, we now have a sale more often and predictable than the monsoon. If Lollipops is your interest area, then you are at the right place and with the advent of New Year, at right time. Investing in Lollipops has become very foggy with a lot of malicious product and fakes out there. In this video we're checking out the top 5 best Lollipops for you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Tootsie Roll Pops Assorted Flavors Lollipops. Traditional 5-flavor mix: chocolate, cherry, orange, grape and raspberry, plus a new 6th flavor that alternates among pomegranate, strawberry, watermelon and lemon-flavored pops. Tootsie Roll Pops Assorted Flavors Lollipops is again a mid of quality and price. It offers limited features in this pricing. There is another variant of Tootsie Roll Pops Assorted Flavors Lollipops which falls into premium category, but Tootsie Roll Pops Assorted Flavors Lollipops is specifically targeted for mid-segment. Tootsie Roll Pops Assorted Flavors Lollipops offers such amazing features which makes it better than 70% of lollipops available in the market today. At number 4, Zollipops Store AntiCavity Lollipops. Zollipops offers a variety of delicious, natural candies that are made of erythritol, stevia and other smile-friendly natural ingredients that are actually good for your teeth. The variety pack contains 6 delicious flavors: strawberry, grape, orange, raspberry, pineapple and cherry. Zolli's lollipops are also known as the after-you-eat treat, so our kids can enjoy one after every meal, for clean teeth and healthier smile. Zollipops are not only sugar-free, but also non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, nut-free, vegan, natural, diabetic-friendly, keto-friendly, kosher and mom-approved. Zollipops naturally help neutralize the acidity and raise the pH level in your mouth. High acidity contributes to tooth decay. By reducing acidity, Zollipops can help teeth remineralize faster and make them stronger and harder. At number 3, Dums Pops Assorted Flavors Lollipops. Dums Pops Assorted Flavors Lollipops is a veteran in the market and has been here for a long time. It offers something of a unique feature which no other competitor offers. While the market is running after YumEarth Organic Assorted Flavors Lollipops, Original Gourmet Mini Cream Swirl and Original Lollipops, Bazooka Candy brands Lollipops, Dums Pops Assorted Flavors Lollipops has always had loyal customers for that particular feature, and this has safeguarded its market share and they have successfully been able to keep their longtime users happy. Go for Dums Pops Assorted Flavors Lollipops if you want to try out something of a fusion of new and classic. Fun and interesting fact about Lollipops is that even though Dums Pops Assorted Flavors Lollipops is a veteran, the users are mostly younger generation. You can say fashion makes a turn after a century or so and things repeat. At number 2, Original Gourmet Mini Cream Swirl and Original Lollipops. If you are the sort of a person who doesn't compromise on quality and is ready to shell a little extra, then Original Gourmet Mini Cream Swirl and Original Lollipops is your choice. They say you either buy a quality product once or buy cheap products every day, the cost comes to same. The new Original Gourmet Mini Cream Swirl and Original Lollipops comes with best price. It is industry's most trusted, most preferred and quality lollipops, and it considered as gold standard by many users as well as non-users. If you are looking for a long-time investment with a quality lollipops, then don't look beyond Original Gourmet Mini Cream Swirl and Original Lollipops. The product is featured, highlighted and appreciated in reviews of Lollipops in October 2021, and this has been backed by many users. Finally, at number 1, YumEarth Organic Assorted Flavors Lollipops. YumEarth Organic Lollipops are our signature candy. We built our company on these little suckers that come in 8 delicious flavors: pomegranate pucker, wet face watermelon, strawberry smash, googly grape, very very cherry, perfectly peach, razzmatazz berry and mango tango. What makes our treats so scrumptiously friendly? Simple, organic ingredients free from the top 8 allergens. We never use things like high fructose corn syrup, artificial dyes or GMOs so your family can snack safely. Since 2007, YumEarth has been making organic candy with a whole lot of love and simple ingredients you can pronounce. We are proud to make safer, allergy-friendly and tasty treats that you can feel good about giving your family and sharing with friends. Our mission is to make life's moments a little sweeter, simpler and filled with joy. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.